start social media marketing as a beginner? What's up and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for 9 to 5 employees and rookie online business owners. If you're keen to know the step-by-step method of studying social media marketing, then keep on watching. Before we get into the points, remember that the purpose of being on social media is to build your online presence, to build your personal branding, absolutely not for pleasure. First, decide which social media platforms to use. As a beginner to social media, you have to choose 1 or 2 social media platforms and concentrate on those rather than trying to work on all platforms at the same time. This is a mistake that many beginners do, and in the end, they quit without having any benefits. A nice way to find out which platform is best suited for your niche is to find the influencers and analyze where they have success. For example, find out the leaders in your niche and check out the number of Facebook fans, Twitter followers, Pinterest followers, etc. If they have 100,000 Facebook fans but only 1,000 Twitter followers, then this is a good indication that Facebook is more suitable for your niche than Twitter. It is also a sign that you are more likely to have success with Facebook than Twitter, so you can use your time more efficiently and engage more on Facebook rather than any other platforms. I'll talk more about it in this video here. Second, optimize your social media profiles. Once you decide which social media tools you will use, at least for the beginning, the next step is to optimize your profiles on those sites. By optimizing your profiles, you increase your chances of getting more followers, and it is also a good way to boost your SEO efforts. Some general rules that applies to all sites are: use a real photo showing your face, avoid using animals, places, or anything that is not real. Social media is about connecting people, and if you want to have a trusted profile, you need to get out of their cage and put your face on the web. You will realize 99% of the haters will never use pictures of themselves, but you are different. You are using social media for business. Write a good description about yourself or your company. What is the background or expertise? What are you proud of? Mention this on your profile. Include a link to your website where applicable. On Facebook, include a link in the About section. On Twitter and Pinterest in the website section. In other words, do your own social media profile for SEO purposes as well. After that, choose your pillar of content. You want to be picking 3 to 5 topics. I personally recommend 3 topics, and you want to be consistently discuss, amplify, and create content on social media that are evolving around your chosen topics. My pillar content is online business, additional income stream, and entrepreneurship. So all the content I post, they evolve around these 3 topics only, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. These are the 3 topics that I talk about. You want to do this because content pillars will help you get clarity on your niche. Being an expert in one area or a few specific things will help you grow your audience faster. A good way to think about this is the more focused on niche you are in the beginning, the easier time you will have growing an audience of people that trust and love you. And then you can expand to other subjects. A marketing strategies could focus on entrepreneurship, marketing tips, and mental health. A fashion content creators pillars could be body positivity, beauty, and mindset. Not only that, they make planning your content so much easier. Rather than scrambling to create last-minute posts, you can use your content pillars to strategically build your content calendar for the month ahead. In this video, I talk about how I manage my time effectively by using a few scheduling apps like Later, Recurpose, Facebook scheduling to pre-schedule all my contents for the following month. Lastly, share interesting content like tags, images, videos. This is the foundation of having a successful social media marketing campaign. When we talk about publishing content, we always say that content is king, and this is true in social media as well. If you share interesting and useful content, you can get more reshares, more visitors to your website, and under some condition, more customers as well. What is interesting content? From my experience, this is a combination of articles, stories, pages that are related to your niche, but not only from your own website. Interesting statistics about your niche, motivational quotes related to your niche, or otherwise research studies, images and videos, funny stuff, whatever your niche is all about. You can share once in a while a joke, a funny image to make your followers smile. Don't forget hashtag as well, because hashtag can make your content more searchable. Don't forget hashtag in the network that you can use like Instagram. I hope these tips are helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I will see you in the next video.